Can 10K per month help you and your family live a more comfortable life? Hey everybody, it is me, your girl Shay Marie at ShayMarieInc.com, back for another video. I'm excited to share this amazing system with you. If you know anything about me, I am an internet online marketer, and I promote different opportunities. I love the fact that you can actually make or have multiple streams of income coming in, and every day could be a payday, right? And so um you know I was always talking to my husband, when I'm expressing the things that I want to do, and how I want to grow my business and everything, and help people achieve this goal of actually working from home, being able to live a more comfortable life, spend more time with family, and not have to worry about bills, right? And you know I'm a very advocate and believer in multiple streams of income. We have multiple bills, so why not have multiple streams of income, right? So this system that I wanted to create was something where you would have a central location where you have your prospects and leads will be able to view and see that there's multiple streams within this one system, actual trainings to help a person who may be a newbie step by step, and actually have success. And you can really have success with this opportunity, you guys. It is a complete 100% free system. You don't have to pay anything to get started. So I'm going to leave my link in the description area below. If you want to know more about this system, you guys, definitely go ahead and click on the link that's in the description area to get started. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'll have my contact information below. You can contact me or reach out to me on Facebook as well, and Instagram. I'll have those contacts in the description area. And let's make this money, you guys. Let's have a successful life, and let's build wealth. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your girl Shay Marie.